Have you seen that? Are you ready, mate? Are you ready, Kakam? You seen?
No, I'm not ready.
Ah! We're gonna get wet!
No! Are we in Florida?
Is that Tiana?
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join Lewis up ahead and find some musicians for our mom. We're going to the house.
False alarm! Look, look! Ah!
You still remember that?
Yeah.
Any fans down here? Come on,
Oh, look, an armadillo.
Armadillo!
Is that real hair?
Louisiana gator peppers.
Good luck and all musicians. You know that's
Okay.
Wait, I'm so dry.
Ah, I'm wet!
Never mind.
There's the gator.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here and they are cooking.
They're the bee's knees. I would love for them to plant my mind. Keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Talent everywhere. If you dig down deep enough.
Oh wait, that's not the end of it.
Can you hold this to see?
What is this? Oh. Wait.
Y'all strong and strong.
Been there, done that. But you found the sound of a
Oh, here it comes.
Here comes the big one. Are you ready, Clam?
Hope you enjoyed getting tiny. Now let's get you back to the big old beautiful self. Now let's get you to the party. And there we go.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Ha! Woo!
Oh, it doesn't have amoebas.
Hey, how are you?
Okay, I'm taking off my hair tie.
See, I told you to bring extra shirts. Yeah.
How are you?
I am.
Are you okay?
Oh, another one.